Hello, my name is Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties and I shoot a lot of video of homes that come on the market. I'm at Ganado and it's a 30764 Ganado. Ganado winds up off Palos Verdes Drive East towards the top, which is over by above what used to be Marymount, now UCLA. And if you see in the distance here, you got the Isthmus of Catalina, there's Avalon, so big ocean view from the front yard. Two-car garage. Two-story, this side split level, I guess, and then you have this grass area here, and it's a alternative grass, not real grass, and then a sports court. So we'll get to that. Really nice backyard. So this one just came up. It's already got some good attention because it's really nice. So let's take a look. Nice blue door, beautiful blue door. I'm stepping on in. Pretty neat how they opened this up, and this looks like Brazilian cherry floors. Gorgeous. So it is split level with a down and an up, and we're enter on the mid level. They're using this for dining, but it could be anything. Dining's good, but I like how they opened up the wall. So you have your whole living room, the fireplace, skim ceilings, recessed lighting, and the openness here, which is so cool. And they've upgraded the appliances back here. Looks like the cabinetry was at one point upgraded. Nice backsplash, kitchen counter, nice big counter here. The bar? No, it's got storage. Okay, and no bar top there, but a counter spot. I love the bar top when you can sit. Oh, you can sit on this side. That's great. That's nice. You can be involved, and here you can still turn and watch TV if you put the TV there, which I would think you would. All right, let's go upstairs first. Nice staircase. Couple bedrooms on the view side here. Big view from here. One, two, three. The windows appear to have been replaced. They look good. And then here's primary. Big room. Wow, what a cool fan. Airplane wing style. One closet over here. And another over here. Now, 4 changes in here. Oh, these are what you call vinyl, because they have that little gap. So they took the old window out, the aluminum frame, and then they just measure here from the new double paned, probably low E. Double C. Nice shower. That only opens that one. So you hit this door. It's a pocket door. So this floor, different than that floor. And this is cool. This backyard is amazing. I'm excited to get back there. Oh, and then this is a little different too. So this I feel is like solid. And those, I feel it's a little different. All of this looks the same. Hard to say. So downstairs, bathroom updated, nice. Direct access to the garage. They got laundry in here. It's 2-car. And a storage area. And a storage closet. Nice big closet. And a small room here with a closet, so it could be a bedroom. This part is cool as. So there is a home back there, but I'm assuming the lot line is there and along the other way. This is gorgeous. What a great pool. Nice. Wow, this is cool too. This fence, I think it's like the Trex deck, but they made a fence out of it. That's cool. Vegetables are doing good, but this pool is amazing. Really nice. Pretty deep over there and a nice big hot tub. I like it. Some open land back there. Oh, it's the canyon. Wow, this is really cool. It's pretty. I would say everyone's going to jump in off this. Nice little sitting area. And then you get up to here where they got a fountain. It's also super nice. A big barbecue. That's fun. And then a sports court. Like, obviously really low, but I think you can raise it. And then this is the driveway going to that house up there. So somewhere along here is that property line. Yeah, it's fixed up. I mean, this is clean. Priced really low, but like I said, I think there's already some attention on this and probably won't stay at that price. But right from here, you get ocean view. So that's pretty cool. And then I like seeing all the drain here and everything. This has got a lot to offer. So if you're looking for a home and want to talk values and learn more about what's happening in Palos Verdes, I'm happy to share with you, and I really know it. I grew up here, so thanks a lot for watching. Make it a great day.